Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we're discussing the IWC Pilot's Watch Mark 20, the reference 3282-05. This green dial variant launched in 2022, 40 millimeters in diameter in stainless steel, 11.1 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, 49 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Now this is a sizable watch for the Mark series, although it's not the largest Mark ever. At 49 millimeters lug to lug, you can see it does fill out my 16 centimeter circumference wrist. So the watch is substantial and fairly broad. I'm going to recommend this for a wrist of 15 centimeters circumference or larger. I've got a little bit of clearance, but not much. Now over the top, which always exaggerates the width of the watch, you can see it's right on the limits of my wrist. The cuff shot, however, does show the watch capable of slipping underneath a cuff. So these are minimalist pilot's watches. They also work well with formal attire, and they will be compatible with tight sleeves. Taking a quick look at the strap here, you can see it's this brown rubber, lovely granular, and as you can see, matte finished, with a little bit of a molded character line where the stitches would be on a vintage style leather pilot strap. And then on the bottom you can see there are several different apertures, none of them gouged or crimped. This is a brand new IWC factory strap. And then we have the easy exchange system where it's very simple. You just press the button and it pops off. This is a happy compromise between the convenience of a quick release strap and the universal compatibility of conventional spring bars. So this strap is 20 millimeters, and this spring bar is 20 millimeters. So any conventional 20 millimeter strap, whether OEM or aftermarket, will fit this watch, but you still get the convenience of the quick release system. And just as it releases quickly, it also reattaches quite quickly, just like that. So you get the best of a quick release system, but also the ability to use any 20 millimeter strap you want. The pin buckle, as you can see, is a combination of polished and satin steel with IWC branding on it. And then the case is relatively simple. It hews closely to precedent in the world of pilot's watches. Lugs are always blended smoothly. We have this, and by pilot's watches, I mean IWC pilot's watches. So we have this lovely flared bevel over the edge of the lugs. The midcase is satin finished. We have a brushed finish on the lug hoods. We have a slightly instepped bezel, which visually thins the watch a bit. The bezel has a vertical kick, then a conical plane where it's slanted, and then a very flat plane just before the cambered and decompression secured sapphire. More on that in a moment. One nice change over the last half-decade of IWC pilot's watches has been the move to 100-meter cases. Previously, the Mark series were 60, but with a screw-down crown and 100-meter water resistance, this is now something you can absolutely take swimming, and with the rubber strap, all the easier, as you won't have to swap out. The case back, people often ask me, is that a Ford tri-motor? No, it is a Junkers U52. So this is a aircraft that is owned and flown promotionally by IWC. It's a tri-motor layout, which was popular in between the wars. Theirs is restored, IWC branded, and still flying. So we have that in polish with media blast and satin, a triple finished case back. I mentioned securing the crystal against displacement. What that means is that along with the seals of the case, this crystal is secure if you're an aircraft that explosively decompresses. So if you lose all the pressure at 25,000 feet, the crystal will not be displaced. So nice to know, and luxury often is about getting more than you need. The dial is a lovely and evocative sunburst metallic green. It's certainly a little bit more fashion-oriented than a conventional white-on-black printed matte dial. But then again, green dials are cheerful fun and anything but austere. So if you feel like your luxury watch should have a little bit of raffish opulence to it, this is a great way to do that. No shortage of luminescence. You can see broadsword-style hands and the four corners well-loomed. The watch has two subsidiary setting functions. One is hacking, or stop seconds. You can set the watch to a reference time to the second. And of course, there is a quick set system, so you can rapidly cycle the date. Also, attention to detail, which I appreciate. You can see that the date aperture is faceted slightly, so it's not an ugly sheer cut through the dial. Nothing to see on the case back, but inside we have a movement that IWC calls the 32111. Now, it's no secret that this is a Volflurier engineered movement that's used on other Richemont brands, most notably on several Riviera and Clifton Baumatic watches within the Baume & Mercier catalog, and it's a 5-day automatic with hacking quickset. Pivots on 21 joules. In IWC, guys, it is 5-position adjusted. And yes, it does have a 5-day power reserve, which is excellent. IWC declares that this is an IWC-built movement, and that's not altogether impossible, since it's very plausible that Volflurier designed it, but IWC has the tooling set up to make it within its own factory. Each Richemont brand may have a different sourcing methodology for this movement, but it is a group common movement. It's also what you'll find in the latest Ingenieur at a much, much higher price, so this watch is a good value on that front. This watch harks back to the 1940s and the original IWC Mark Series pilot watches, basically an unbroken lineage since then. It's one of the most iconic and recognizable pilot's watch series of the last 100 years. And important to remember, along with the Portuguese, one of the icons of IWC, the twin pillars, the Pilot Watch Mark Series, and your basic manual wind Portugueser. Reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.